Ever tried sprinting through an airport with 10 grand of camera gear digging into your shoulders? Yeah, not fun. If you travel for photography or video, you already know this. Your roller bag isn't just luggage, it's your mobile studio. It protects your gear, keeps you organized under pressure, and honestly, saves your back. So today, I'm breaking down 5 of the best roller bags for photographers and creators right now. Flying internationally, shooting local gigs. These are built to move. You'll find all the product links in the description below, and you can tap the YouTube product tags for quick access. Let's roll. Number 1, Think Tank Airport Advantage XT. If you're constantly flying, this one's engineered for it. Compact enough for most carry-on rules, but surprisingly spacious inside. Multiple camera bodies, several lenses, even a laptop. No cramped chaos. The internal dividers are fully customizable. Everything stays secure, nothing shifts mid-sprint. Build quality, top tier, durable materials, smooth rolling wheels, a telescopic handle that feels solid in busy terminals, and it's lighter than many hard cases, which matters when lifting into overhead bins. For traveling pros who need protection without bulk, this strikes a smart balance. Number 2, Lowepro Pro Trekker RLX 45OAW2. This one is built for creators who don't just stay in airports. It's a hybrid. Roll it through smooth spaces, wear it as a backpack when terrain gets rough, and that flexibility, game changer, especially for landscape and adventure shooters. Inside, there's room for pro bodies, long lenses, and all your accessories. It even includes an all-weather cover for unpredictable conditions. It feels rugged, dependable, field-ready. If your shoots go from city streets to mountain trails, this bag adapts without compromising protection. Number 3, Manfrotto Pro Light Reloader. Spin 55, clean, structured, professional. The outer shell adds impact resistance while staying relatively lightweight. Inside, padded dividers let you design your setup exactly how you want it. Multiple bodies, lenses, lighting gear, no problem. The wheels glide smoothly. Reinforced corners add durability for frequent flyers. There's even space for a laptop, so you can edit on the go. If you shoot events, weddings, or commercial work, this delivers organized, polished protection that looks as professional as you do. Number 4, Tenba Roadie Roller 24. This one keeps it simple, and that's a good thing. Tough exterior, weather-resistant build, designed for real-world use. Inside, padded compartments keep gear locked in place, plus smart storage for batteries, cables, and cards. The wheels are stable and smooth even when fully loaded. It doesn't scream for attention, which can be an advantage when traveling with expensive gear. If you want a no-nonsense roller that just works every single time, this is a dependable choice. Number 5, Vanguard Alta Fly 55T. If versatility is your priority, this one stands out. Roller, backpack, carry-on, all in one design. The interior handles Pro DSLR, or mirrorless kits, with room for a laptop and accessories. Padding feels substantial. You get real peace of mind transporting expensive equipment. The structure holds its shape even when packed heavy. If you want one travel solution instead of juggling multiple cases, this is practical and thoughtfully designed. Here's the reality. Your gear represents your creativity, your business, maybe even your livelihood. Trusting it to the right roller bag isn't optional, it's essential. Are you packing light for weekend shoots? Or rolling fully loaded for major assignments? Drop it in the comments. And if you're ready to upgrade your travel setup, check the links in the description and explore the YouTube product tags for quick access. Because when your gear rolls smoothly beside you, you arrive ready to create.